Notice pin files in your Epic Games installation folder and wondering if they're important? These are installation tracking files used behind the scenes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Epic Games Launcher files do and how to handle them. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premier PIN file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. PIN files are installation tracking files used by the Epic Games Launcher to manage game installations and updates. They contain installation state information file manifests and download progress data that the launcher uses to verify, track, and resume game installations across sessions on the local system. Epic Games PIN files use a proprietary format storing installation metadata, including file hash lists, download chunk identifiers, installation directory paths, version information, and completion status flags. They enable the launcher to verify installed file integrity and resume interrupted installations efficiently. There's a proprietary link between the PIN format and Epic Games Launcher by Epic Games Inc. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows shows the text but not the implications, so understanding changes is essential. Your key initial action: right-click the PIN file and select Open With. If Epic Games Launcher is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the PIN file opens. If the PIN file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, understanding their purpose. PIN files are managed automatically by the Epic Games Launcher and should not be manually edited or deleted during active installations. They reside in the game installation directories and the launcher's metadata folder. The launcher creates updates and removes them as part of normal installation and update operations. Next, troubleshooting installations. If an Epic Games installation stalls or reports verification errors, the PIN file may be corrupted. In the Epic Games Launcher, click the 3 dots next to the affected game and select Verify. The launcher rebuilds the installation manifest and re-verifies all game files, replacing any corrupted data. Finally, cleaning up after uninstall. After uninstalling a game through the Epic Games Launcher, residual PIN files may remain in the installation directory. Manually delete the empty game folder and any remaining PIN files to reclaim disk space. The launcher removes its own metadata references during the uninstall process automatically. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.